Hi, hello friends, welcome to our channel Study of Mathematics. Next, we will go to the problem number 4 in the exercise 3C section 1. The given problem is if a equal to minus 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 3x7 is a symmetric matrix, then find x value. In this problem, we have to given a matrix A of order 3 by 3 and A is a symmetric matrix. Then find X. We know a matrix is symmetric, then that is A equal to A transpose. By using that condition, we can easily find the unknown value X. Then for that solution, given matrix is A equal to minus 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 3x7. This is matrix A. From this, A transpose equal to minus 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 3x7. Given that A is a symmetric matrix, that is, we know the condition is that A equal to A transpose, that is A matrix is minus 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 3x7 is equal to minus 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 3x7. Sorry, 3, 2, 5x. A transpose 3, 6, 7. If any two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements are also equal. In that, we have the unknown value. The unknown value elements are also equal to each other. Then, by observing this, 6 equal to x and x equal to 6, then from this, x equal to 6. X equal to 6. This is the solution of the fourth problem. Next, we will go to fifth problem in the same section. Next, fifth problem. The problem is if A equal to 0, 2, 1, minus 2, 0, minus 2, minus 1, x, 0 is a skew symmetric matrix, then find x. This is in this problem also we have to given a matrix A is a skew symmetric matrix. By using this condition, we have to find x value. We know if a matrix is a skew symmetric, then A equal to minus A dash or A dash equal to minus A. Then by using that condition, we had solve this solution. First, write down given matrix is A equal to 0, 2, 1, minus 2, 0, minus 2, minus 1, x, 0. From this, A transpose A dash equal to 0, 2, 1, minus 2, 0, minus 2, minus 1, x, 0. This is A dash value. Given that A is a skew symmetric matrix, then A dash equal to minus A. That means A dash value is 0, minus 2, minus 1, 2, 0, x, 1, minus 2, 0 equal to minus of A value 0, 2, 1, minus 2, 0, minus 2, minus 1, x, 0. This is a value. Then my multiply with minus 0 minus 2 minus 1 2 0 x 1 minus 2 0, that is equal to 0 minus 2 minus 1 2 0 2 1 minus x 0, minus 0 value 0. Then in this also we have any two matrices are equal to each other, then their corresponding elements are also equal. By using that condition we have x equal to 2 and minus 2 equal to minus x. Then easily we know that x equal to 2. This is the solution of the problem number 5. Next we will go to next problem, problem number 6. Next, the given sixth problem is the matrix 0 1 4 minus 1 0 7 minus 4 minus 7 0 symmetric or skew symmetric. In this problem we have to check whether the given matrix is symmetric matrix or skew symmetric matrix. If a matrix is symmetric, then that is, if let A is a matrix, then A said to be symmetric if A equal to A dash. If A is a skew symmetric, A dash equal to minus A. Then first for that we have to solve this solution. First let the given matrix, let A equal to, named as A equal to 0 1 4 minus 1 0 7 minus 4 minus 7 0. Next from this A dash equal to 0 1 4 minus 1 0 7 minus 4 minus 7 0. This is A dash value. By observing these two matrices, A equal to A dash or not, 0 equal to 0, 1 equal to minus 1, 4 equal to minus 4. Then by observing these two matrices, 1 equal to minus 1, that means 1 is not equal to minus 1, but A dash equal to minus A is proved. By observing these two matrices, we say that A dash equal to minus A. For our convenient, write down minus A matrix. Minus A equal to, by multiply minus with each element, minus into 0, minus 1 into 0, 0, minus 1, minus 4, 1, 0, minus 4, 4, 7, 0. This is minus A matrix. A dash and minus A matrices are equal to each other. Then we say that A dash equal to minus A. If A dash equal to minus A, then the given matrix is a skew symmetric matrix. Therefore, the given matrix is a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. This is the solution of the sixth problem. From this problem, the section 1 is over. In next, we have to solve the section 2 problems. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.